Hi, I'm Brandy. This is Hound Dog Hollow, and today I'm going to be unboxing my April Awakening box from Awakening in a Box. This is one of the boxes I got for under $20. Let's check it out. Okay, it's got like a little chakra thing here. Note from a curator. So I don't usually read these first. I read them last. So, see what we got here. We've got this little like mala thing. I'm not sure what these, like wood and something else. I'm not sure what they are, but I'm sure it'll say in the thing, in the insert. So there's that. It's an ornament here. Air, I believe. Okay, and then looks like I got a card here. It says Spirit Guide Communication. With grateful energy, invite your spirit guide to lead you. Ask for a sign and stay open to receiving. Surrender your plans and heed their guidance. Ground your feet in the earth. Be present. It's like a sticker or something. So that's kind of cool. Very cute box. It's got a blue bag here. Okay, so this one's the malachite. Sodalite. Rainbow Moonstone. I really don't see any rainbow in it. Okay, malachite. Affirmation. I am in perfect balance. Malachite amplifies energies of all kinds, both positive and negative. It helps you acknowledge the negative energy in your life and get rid of it, including old emotional patterns, past traumas, and suppressed feelings. Malachite's ability to draw out negative energy can help you find energy blocks and patterns that may be detrimental to your health. Highly protective, malachite absorbs pollution and shields against radioactivity. Put yours near your computer or TV. Remember that malachite absorbs negative energy very easily, so this one would need to be cleared often. Aligns with the heart, throat, and third eye chakra and zodiac signs of Capricorn and Scorpio. Then we have Rainbow Moonstone. I am happy and free. Rainbow Moonstone can raise your vibrational frequency to create a smoother transition into meditation. It calms the physical mind from the chatter that can affect your meditative state. Moonstone can help you to simply be, without feeling the need to do something or be somewhere else, which makes it the perfect stone for staying present and mindful. It allows the crown chakra to open and bring in loving white healing energies that will flow through you to the very core of your being. It also helps you remember your true nature. Aligns with the crown, sacral, and third eye chakra and the zodiac sign of Cancer. And then Sodalite. I am perfect and whole in this moment. Sodalite is a great stone to use when focusing on cultivating your intuitive abilities. It's also very helpful for those who seem to be encountering a lot of difficulties in their life, as it may bring unhealthy ingrained patterns to the surface to be released. And it can promote deep self-examination to reveal underlying causes to your problems. Make sure you keep the stone nearby while working through these issues and meditate with it, as well as possibly sleeping with it under your pillow. Working with the throat and third eye chakra, Sodalite is thought to combine these energies in such a way as to allow the fusion of logic and with intuitive knowledge. Aligns with the throat and third eye chakras and zodiac sign of Sagittarius. So then we have here, welcome to the April Best of Awakening box. This box contains 3 crystals and minerals, and 2 products to help you on your path towards enlightenment. This month, almost all of our distributors are currently closed due to COVID-19, so we have decided to do something really fun and share with you some of our subscribers' favorite stones and products of the last few years. The products we have chosen are definitely some of our best, and we hope you love them. If you have any questions about the items, please reach out. Normally, our boxes contain informational crystal cards that, unfortunately, we were unable to put in the box due to the sheer amount of different stones we handpicked for each subscriber. If you would like a digital copy of the crystal cards to match your stones, please reach out to us. We are doing our very best to stay positive and figure out how to keep our subscribers happy, and we are so grateful for your understanding during this time. Our distributors had let us know that they will be back open next month and we will be able to get back to our regular boxes. If you have any questions, please reach out to us at Awakening in a Box or on Facebook or Instagram. This note doubles as an art print drawn by our art director, Eli Valoroso. Follow his Instagram to see more amazing art. We would like to thank you again for being a seeker of truth and enlightenment, of course, for being part of Awakening in a Box. Light and love, Megan Rayner. Cool. Alright, so, I mean, it's hard saying because they did say that it's a little bit of a different box because of what's going on in the world. So it's hard to say. The price will be in the description box. I've got to pull it up for this particular box. And actually, let me see. Do I have it here? I know it was under $20. All of these boxes were, here's your Awakening in a box order, $19. This one was $19. And I got a bracelet, like a little, like a balsa wood. I could definitely break this with my hands. Ornament. I've got 3 stones, about yay big. I think quarter size would be generous. I've got a little sticker, little informational cards for each of the stones, and an insert. So that's what you get from the Awakening box, more or less, because they said that's not a normal month, but I do believe that they still have their set formula. So there's that. So check it out. As I'll leave the link in the description below. As always, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Thanks for watching.